How to delete account bio history on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete account bio history on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. First of all, allow notifications on Instagram. Now sign in to your account. After that, tap profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you have to scroll down and then locate the option of your activity. Tap on it. Now scroll down and choose account history option. Now tap update type at top right corner and choose bio. Tap apply button. In here, you need to tap on clear all at top right corner of the screen. But unfortunately will not be able to delete account bio history on Instagram currently. Even if you open the particular one going to update type again, you will reach on the section where you have entered that bio. When you tap and hold it, there is no such option to delete account bio history on Instagram. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated about deletions of bio history on Instagram from our channel. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.